Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and we are going to start with Nail Game by Kiki. So this was a subscription bag, I guess you can call it, that I got from Cratejoy. And although I love her nails, I think that she does amazing work. I did decide to cancel this one because it is a little bit pricey for me, and I was not aware that the nails actually have like acrylic over top of them. So like when you would get your nails done at the nail salon, it's got that really thick acrylic on it, and that's just not the look I'm going for. As a crafter, it is really hard for me to work with those acrylic nails, and honestly the pandemic was kind of a blessing for me because I stopped going to the nail salon because obviously they were closed for a while, and then I started buying these kiss nails that I've been using. Yay! And I like them a lot better, honestly, because they're thinner. They're not that super thick acrylic. I can grip everything when I'm working on it as I'm crafting, and they last me for about a week each, and I spend between $3 and $5 on each set. So her bag, although again, she does these handmade nails, I just want to point this out that it is a handmade item. So I definitely think that her bag is very well priced for the amount of work that she puts into each and every single nail that she creates. But for me, I just think from a budget standpoint, it makes more sense to get the kiss nails because they're more along the lines of what I want to, the look that I want to have. So I just don't want to discourage anybody from getting these nails because they are amazing and she does amazing work. And just keep in mind that each and every single one is hand created by her. That takes a lot of time. So the fact that you get all these other additional things in your bag in addition to the nails is well worth it, in my opinion. Okay, guys, I talked enough. Let's go ahead and see what I got for this very last bag. Okay, guys, so here's my bag. Loving the metallic pink bag she sends. Honestly, guys, if I was into the acrylic nails, I would definitely continue to get the subscription. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so the nails are first, and I'm going to do those last because I just want to be surprised about the nails. Okay, so Nail Game by Kiki, it says check out her online store. It is at nailgamebykiki.com. So if you guys are interested in awesome nails that are honestly, in my opinion, affordable for the amount of work that she puts into them, definitely go check her out. She has a 20% off code. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to share that or not because I don't know if it's just for me, but I mean, you guys can try it and see if it works. It is Kiki's Nails 420 is the code, and you guys can use that if you're interested in getting any of her stuff. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and pop open what she put in here. Let's check it out. So we have Suave hand cleaning wipes. Alrighty, dighty. Those come in handy, right? Because everybody is, washing their hands like 1,000 times. Just saying. All right, what else? Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. She's got some Hershey Kisses in here. Okay, guys. So I am actually quite excited about this because I just put a bunch of friend mail together and I literally gave them all my Hershey Kisses. So I had none. I'm just saying. I was like, and I didn't feel like going to the store. I really didn't. I'm just over it. So I'm glad that she sent me some because I'm craving some chocolate. Awesome, awesome. Wow, this one is chocked super full. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Ooh, yes! And the antibacterial hand gel. Okay. I love me some cinnamon pumpkin. I know you guys most of you guys want these scents like, in the fall. Not me. I'll take, ooh, it smells so good. I will take these scents year round for sure. Okay, that is really awesome. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab these last couple of things out of here. And I'm just going to put this other stuff back in so I don't have a catastrophe. Okay, so this is so cute. Look at the little heart bag. Ah, how cute. She really did up this little Valentine bag. Ah, I'm so sorry I canceled. I wish I liked them. And here is, I think, to clean or something? I'm really not sure, but something to do with your nails, I'm quite sure. So that is so cute. I love this little heart bag. See, now if I would have thought my friend mail through, I would have got these cute little heart bags for everybody. But clearly, I didn't think it through good enough because they didn't get these. They just got regular, mesh bags. Okay, awesome. Okay, so the rest of it is in here. So every single time you order, you do get nail glue, a nail file, and these what are these things called? But you get those where you could use them as press-on nails like my friend Linda likes to do. She loves her press-on nails. And then they have the alcohol, there we go, alcohol prep wipes. They have those in there. Helps if I show you guys the right way. And the other little things that she includes, which is so awesome. And this is in every bag, guys. So, I mean, this stuff is just bonus because, like I said, she spends so much time making these nails. So we have a nail file that's blue and pink on, you know, dual-sided. This is a cuticle pusher backer thingamabobber, and then the nail glue. Okay, so that all comes with this. I think this one is like $35 a month, the one that the subscription I picked. So you do only get one set of nails. Now you can go to her website and buy nails directly on the website if you want additional sets. But if you guys get the subscription bag, then you get all this other cool stuff, which I think is really nice. Okay, guys, I love her little boxes. They are so cute. So I'm totally reusing these boxes for my friend mail and stuff like that I'm going to be sending out. You know, again, it's oh, how cute! Ah! She did these up. Oh, what a great job. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. What? Those are so cute. And as I keep saying in this entire video, she hand makes each and every single nail. Guys, doing a hand design on nails and then putting the acrylic over top, I mean, that is like a lot of work. So that's why I'm saying, I know $35 sounds like a lot, but you have to understand the amount of work that goes into this. So everything else that she put in this bag is just bonus. I will most likely use this last set of nails, but again, I just don't like the super thick acrylic. That's just not my thing. And the nails are a little long for me. Even her short links are just a little bit too long for me as a crafter. So, you know, if the acrylic was thinner on them and they were shorter, more like this size, I would definitely keep getting this from her. But because I just really don't like the lengths or the thickness of the nails, that's the only reason why I canceled. But again, for you guys who love acrylic nails, go check her out. She's 1,000% worth it. I think that she does an awesome job. That's all I got for you guys in this unboxing, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! So this is one that I picked up from Cratejoy, and the first, let's go. Let's do this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Like, I am gonna have to say that's one black hair. You see? I mean, I'm sure you can't see, but it's there. It's bothering me. I'm gonna try it again. Alrighty, dighty. Ooh, the nails are first. Let's do those last because I just want to do them last. That's why. Okay, there's no other reason. Okay, what does she have in here? Oh my gosh. I didn't unbox anything, so we're going to do it again. Okay, guys, so you knew I would mess up. I did it great that first time, and then I screwed that up. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so why can't this just work? Okay, let's try it again.